Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll deal with how do we parameterize a schedule notebook in Databricks and how do we utilize the widgets in Databricks. So let's jump right into it. So here we see the Databricks UI and we will be using the dbutils.widgets.text and dbutil.widget.get command to deal with the parameterizing of the notebook. So what I'll be doing here is I'll be parameterizing my catalog that we are going to use in the notebook. So with this command, if you take a notice in the first line of the code, I'm using my catalog and then I'm leaving the empty string. Sometimes we'll see that there is null value instead of the strings. It's the same thing. And when we hit the run of the cell and then we define the catalog in our notebook, be using the dev lakehouse in my catalog, so which is in fact the catalog that I'm using to create the table. So in the second cell I'll be defining my table with the parameter my catalog. So what I do here is I use the create table command and then I use the parameterized my catalog and then I type the schema and then the table name. So orders raw is my table name, bronze is my schema, and I'll be creating the table with the specified columns and their data types. Here if we see order ID should be int, order type should be string. Perfect. Now if we want to extend this parameterization up to the schema level, that's how we will follow the exactly the same approach as we did for the catalog. So it's again the dbutils.widgets.text and then we define the schema in the same way we define our catalog. So whenever we want to schedule our notebook in workflow jobs, we usually follow this strategy of parameterizing our notebook so that it takes the parameters during the runtime which we deploy once we are executing the workflow, and also due to some data hiding procedures so that the uh, our catalog and schema is not visible directly to somebody who views our notebook, but instead these are parameterized. So here we see I parameterize my schema. Finally, we can also extend the same logic to the table. So I'm going to copy the code here. Perfect. This is how we use the parameters.